My name is Eve. What is your name?
Ma'am, my name is Pooja.
Ah, hi Pooja. Where do you live?
Ma'am, I am from India.
What city in India?
That is in Saharanpur, ma'am, in part of India.
Okay, very good. Ah,
And
so
yes, ma'am. And ma'am, you are from which country?
I'm from the United States. I live in
Okay.
the southeastern part of the country. I will show you. Oh, well, here it is. I have a map ready. This is here. Here's Florida, Disney and Miami, all the beaches. And the orange part is Georgia, right here. And that's
Oh,
where I live. Mhm.
okay.
I live
Okay.
in. Will you type the name of your city? Because I didn't understand. Type it.
Yes, yes, ma'am. No problem.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. This is Saharanpur.
Saharanpur. Okay. Very good. I will make a note of that. Um, what do? You work? Are you a homemaker?
Ma'am, I am doing my competition. You can say I am doing preparation for my competition.
What what kind of competition?
That means to getting the job in government sector.
Oh, okay. Very good. So you're studying for that. Um, so if you get the job, what will you do? Will you run a sewing machine or design or what will you do?
Ma'am, actually, I want to get the job in teaching sector. That means
Mm.
I'm going to teach the students.
Oh, how cool. So you teach them how to sew or how to design?
Like ma'am, economics, ma'am, subject
Ah,
economics.
okay. Cool. That's really cool. Ah, very good. Are you married? Do you have a family?
No, ma'am, till yet I'm not married, but I
Oh,
have a family. That means I have a my fa in my family. There's my little sister.
oh, okay. How old is she?
She is 16 years old, ma'am.
Ah, okay. 16. Ah, very good. Do you still live is Saranpur your hometown?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Hmm.
living in yes in the same town.
Oh, very good. So, have you traveled around India very much?
Not so much. You can say, ma'am, for my for giving my exams, I traveled, but right now I'm not going, or you can say not traveled a lot because I have to do my preparation.
Yeah.
I can't travel.
Okay, very good. Do you like traveling?
Yes, ma'am, I like traveling, but right now I'm not in that situation.
I
That
understand.
yes, ma'am, that go.
So maybe someday you'll be able to travel again.
Right, ma'am. I'm waiting for that day when.
Yeah. Yes, very good. Now I worked in business administration and university administration until I was 70. And then I retired. And I've been retired 8 years. So that means I am now 78. And I am enjoying my retirement. I don't have a lot of money, so I can't travel often, but I travel when I can. I have a friend.
Person richness is not determined by the, you can say, the money or the wealth. Uh, in our country, or you can say in our tradition, the person, uh, richness, or you can say the person is determined by the, you can say, the hurt that a person is having.
Ah, okay. Very
Means a
good.
person should be a person should having a great heart instead of having a lot of money. that
Ah, I
means
like that.
that means a person should be very generous when he see any needy person, so in that situation a person is going to help that person.
Yes, I certainly believe that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you would say a person should have a great heart rather than a
Right.
lot of money. Should
Yes,
have,
ma'am.
not having. Okay, that is
Because
cool.
uh, yes, ma'am. Because, ma'am, I saw many person that they have a lot of money,
Mhm.
but when there is any poor person come in front of them, what they do, they was just, just you can say taunt them and just you can say just tell him to go from here. But you can say in just contrast or in opposite of this, if any needy person come to a normal type, you can say a man that is or you can say a human who is not having so much, but in that situation that person is ready to help
Yes,
him. Why? Because he is going, you can say he is know that what is, what is you can say
he
uh,
understands the man's situation. Yeah,
right. Yes,
right.
ma'am.
Yes, yes. Having a great heart, that is very important. I agree.
Very,
And generosity. Generosity is a great
very,
blessing.
yes, ma'am.